Ooh, yummy food. We have rice, we have fruits, hot stickers, and what is that, Shona?
Stir fry with
fry
with pork, but there's mushrooms, green and red pepper, beans, cabbage, carrots, and yeah, yum.
Oh, with cookies and chips.
Yeah. This is Oreo with vanilla filling. Oreo. Ooh, this is yummy. You guys like the veggie?
Yeah.
Did you try the veggie, Riley?
The pasta good too.
Branson, does you want to eat?
Let's eat, guys.
Can't
You
taste
don't
them.
like mushroom?
Can't taste them.
You can tell, it's right there. This one. Let's eat, guys. It's really yummy. It's so fast.
Yeah. Branson, look where the person down there.
We have some fruit.
Where's the sun?
At least it's not cold.
And it's not windy.
A lot of veggies.
Good. Another one. You did not bring it. Kulang yung kanin nyo.
I know.
You guys can eat a lot of veggie.
Brandy,
Yeah.
Brandy, eat.
Oh, and I put zucchini on it too. There's a lot of veggie in here.
What's the sauce that you made?
Just a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. Dude, we can do this at work. Rice. This is a good pot stickers.
I made those.
Mm? Mm. Yum.
I think this is the one that they're selling at the restaurant.
Mhm.
Because it tastes the same.
It's tasty. You want more veggie? Yeah. Mm? Mm.
Lugo, Lugo, eat. Lugo. Oh, that.
Look at how happy is the dog.
Yes.
Oh my god, there's a
Why they drive so fast in here?
That's the fire version.
Yeah. Can you hand me the water, please?
You want some chicharron? Hmm? You want some? This is mix of the real one and the not real.
Chicharon.
But you, Riley, do you eat
Oh,
this?
these are the ones that I like.
Pork skin?
Yeah.
Try it. We have some chicharron, guys.
They're looking at us. I'm waiting.
Sino? These are very nice. Mm. Oh, I forgot the vinegar. But it's still good.
Usually when they come here, they just bring
little like snack. Not like this.
Ours is meal. Yeah, probably like a little sand granola bar or something.
Yeah, like juice and crackers, nuts,
And here we are is a meal
a whole course meal
with dessert.
with a gallon.
Yeah, we have a good green tea. Big gallon of green tea.
Big gallon of tuba.
Yeah, maybe that's why they're wondering what is that. Want more?
You're not hungry, Vincent? That's it. Eat.
There's a lot of people. It's good. You guys like the veggie?
Yeah.
There's a lot of food.
Let's go have some more rice.
I just eat the veggie the way it is. That's why.
Ganda ng view. Very nice view, oh. Sauce.
It's fine.
I ate it. What's that? The sauce with the strawberry. Oh.
Still good.
Come on, Bo.
Francie, you want some strawberry?
You want some fruits?
You want some fruit, bud?
I think
There's
we're
pineapple.
just playing the sandboard now. Still get started.
He put his hands in there and then I'm stuck.
What did you put in here? Pork?
I like a lot of pork. It is good and tasty. Uh-oh. Still good. Still good.
5-second rule. I told Karen, because Karen dropped something on the floor, Karen Headstart, and I said 5 minutes rule, and she laughed, and she's like, you mean
5 seconds. 5 minutes, that's a long time. It look like you go to the kitchen for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. You're all done with your dishes.
5 minutes rule.
That's Dar's rule. 5 minutes.
Why you do that when I'm drinking? Oh my, you always do
I
that.
didn't know. I was like,
It's
there's
hurt
no
though.
rule for
The
me.
water went to my nose.
I was like, what do you think of me? I don't follow any rules. There's something in this bar.
It's hot.
Is that mine? The water? No, that's not. Okay. I thought I opened it.
Uh-oh.
Did you make that? Perfect. Girls, you're missing out. Sorry.
Yummy.
Did not come. This is perfect today. It's not just sunny, but it's not that windy.
It's not
And not
cold.
cold.
Not cold.
No.
Mm.
Guys, do you like the view? We had a sign. What? Sign.
I'm already full. I mean, you're done. Good boy.
Fruits. Manson, you want some fruits? Come here. Come here. You can do that again later. Let's go eat some fruits. Cookies. You want some fruits? You want some fruits?
How about me? You don't ask me. How about you? Alright. It looks good. I don't know if it's good though.
It's good.
Is that good? Oh really?
Yes,
It's chewy?
Free.
Thank you!
You say hi.
Hold on. Is that sand? Go. Is that yummy? I want to try peanut butter.
There's already 10.
You want strawberries? Put it in your mama's plate. That one. Oh, put it in your mommy's plate. Go. Put it right there.
Say hi to Facebook, guys.
Hi guys! What, Brittany? My face is so big, it's too close. Hi,
Hello.
Brittany.
Buenos dias. Say hi, Brandon. What? I'm just like,
Try natin ito.
where are we, Brent? Cape Mears. Oh, this Cape. Oh, yes, Cape Mears.
You want to try this?
Oh, okay. It's so nice over here.
Yummy.
At least we're not gonna get sunburn. Yeah, no sunburn. Duh, it's been a while.
My mother would believe me I get sunburned. She will say, you're right. Yummy.
No cards for me today.
Oh, you're right. I eat bad food today. Ayoko magkasakay. I don't want to get sick. I was worried when I eat the chicken and I can't keep it down. I don't, yeah.
Let's do a contest. Because before this, we got some tuna. So I'm gonna say what I'm gonna cook, like a tuna dish, and then you're gonna say something like sinigang na tuna.
Inihaw na tuna.
I was gonna say what did I say the first one? Ginataan? Ginataang tuna.
Sisig na tuna.
Lechon na tuna.
Paksiw na tuna.
Pinakbet na tuna.
Adobong tuna.
Yeah, we get this. Tuna tacos.
Sweet and sour tuna.
Enchilada tuna.
Tuna burrito.
Tuna salad. We're getting healthy
Tuna
here.
sandwich.
Tuna patties. Come on, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna lose.
Tuna spaghetti.
There's no tuna. Tuna hamburger.
Tuna casserole.
Tuna hamburger.
Ginilaw na tuna.
Tuna pizza.
Ew, really?
Tuna pancake. Where is a tuna pancake?
How about sinigang?
Yeah, I already said that.
I don't know what else.
Kare-kare tuna.
Ew. No.
No? Canned tuna.
Yeah. I want to try paksiw.
Yeah, paksiw or one in coconut. Or sinigang. Right, Francie? Francie, what do you like?
She said I'm busy.
Say hi! Say hi!
Wow, it's getting warmer. That's good. Oh, there's a sunshine. Coming. bread.
Can I have some pineapple, please, and some cantaloupe? And what do you call that?
Honeydew.
Fruits, please. And strawberry?
Thank you.
What? What? It's the same. That's a strawberry. Yep, the pineapple's right there. It's right here. Pineapple. Pineapple right here.
Yeah. Oh, yung juice. Oh, ayaw niya. The juice.
Yum. Is that good? Yeah. Yummy for the tummy.
Wow, really? Nahiya pa talaga kayo sa rice? Hindi pa inubos? Wow. Why you didn't drink your tea?
I said you didn't want sour, so.
Oh, the cup is over there.
Where's the tea? Not that pretty.
The cup is in the... Oh, kailangan. Bakit yung dami na yung bread ko na yan? Diyos ko, guys. This is bread. Oh.